Wagwan family, welcome back to another episode of Montego Baby's Jamaican Cuisine. Today what we are featuring today is some curry chicken. But not just any curry chicken, we are dealing with some curry chicken back. We are bringing it straight back to you. This me I deal with. Countryman them know me I talk about. Ghetto man them know me I talk about. We are dealing with it proper today. So if you don't have the money for them chicken breasts and them thing there, you just deal with it and bring it straight back. It's me I deal with some nice curry chicken. You know what I mean? So I show you how to prep it up nice. I show you how to cook it down nice. And what we are dealing with it with, and I'm going to deal with it just with rice today. We are dealing with it with some boiled dumpling, you see? So let me show you how I prep it up. I'm going to show you how to make this thing look perfect. Bless up. Alright, so right here we have about close to 3 pound chicken right here. We have with curry, we have with salt, little black pepper, little chili powder. That is just to get it started. See me? And then over here, we kind of have a little onion, quarter onion. And we have one little clove of garlic right here, so one little peg of it. And then we have about 1 green onion. And we have some chocho. They call this chayote, a foreign, but a chocho we call it here, you know? So what we'll do, we'll season up the chicken now, and then we'll get it in the pot. And then after that we can kind of get some more things in it. But for right now we just all get some basic season. So I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of salt. We get it going, you know. And maybe about half a tablespoon, not even a whole. About half a tablespoon of salt like this. Throw that in. Black pepper, I do about half a teaspoon of that. Yeah. Put a little chili powder, half a teaspoon of that. Yeah. And then we have to do about half a tablespoon of curry powder, real Jamaican curry powder, you know, straight up. So start it off with probably about half a tablespoon of that. Because we'll do a thing called burn the curry. I mean, we don't burn the thing, but you know, we just kind of get the flavors warm before you put the chicken inside, you know. So kind of mix this around a little bit. Make it nice and happy. Make the seasoning go and sit down. Normally I would have put the seasoning on this first, but you may want me to see what I go on. How the seasoning thing go at the beginning. That's why I take it down route, you know. But ordinarily I want to season it a little bit first before, probably about an hour before if you can. And make him sit down in the seasoning, like salt and them thing there. Some people like put them thyme and them scallion and them onion and them thing there ahead upon the chicken, upon the meat. But you know, me personally, I put them thing there afterward, you know. As for the curry chicken still, other things I might do that, but for this curry chicken, we'll do it after. Alright, so that kind of mixing, what we'll do now, we'll get the pot hot. Get some oil inside, and then we'll kind of burn the curry, and then we'll put the chicken on the inside. See? So let me show you how I go. Alright, so now the pot hot, I'm going to put some oil. I'll put about 1, 2, 3, or 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of some olive oil, you know? You can use whatever oil you like, but for me, I like the olive oil because it's easier for my stomach, you know what I mean? So make that one heat up a little bit. And then we'll kind of put in some more things. So we'll put in about half a tablespoon of the curry powder. This is what they call burning the curry, you know? That kind of get happy a little bit. Then we are going to add in a little onion. It's about a quarter quarter of an onion right here. So throw that in. So I'm kind of one-handed right now because this one when I deal with the meat. I want to really touch everything with this one, you know. So we just keep that on to the side. It's versatile, what we use both hands straight. While that I go and do him thing. Add in a little garlic. It's about one little clove of garlic right here. One little peg, so show him in. You don't want to really make this sit too long. You probably run this maybe for about a minute or two at the most. You not even want the onion and start caramelize. Just make it release its flavor for a little bit. A minute or two like me say. And then you start putting in your chicken. Okay? So that looks kind of good to me right now. So now I'm kind of putting in the chicken. Right, so kind of slowly put them in right now. Put the chicken. I'll drop it in just like that. I'll kind of make this sweat for a little bit. You're not going to put in no water yet. Let's make this sweat out for a little while, you know. You probably make it sweat for maybe about maybe around 10 or 12 minutes. Maybe even 15. You know. Just kind of cover it and make it warm, sweat. You don't want to mess with it yet. You want to make it release whatever water the chicken have inside of your pot, you know. Alright, so all of the chicken in what we'll do here now. We'll kind of cover him over. Alright, like I said, give it about 12 to 15 minutes just like this. You don't want the stove too high. Little bit above medium probably. May I run it probably about see a little bit less than medium high. See? So make it go and run and then we'll check it here in a little bit, so much water it release and then we know how much water we need for add. See? Straight. Alright, so this is running now for about a nice 15 minutes. You see how much water it develop. I mean, so naturally springing water out of the chicken, you know what I mean? A lot of these chicken retain a lot of water. So sometimes you don't really have to put a whole lot of water to swamp it. You just make it kind of spring its own water naturally. You know, for a little while before you actually put in some more water to cook the rest of the stuff that we put inside, you know? So this look kind of good right now. It have a decent amount of water. Like I say, I don't want really too much in it. So I'll put a little bit more. And this water basically for cook the rest of your ingredients and finish to cook your gravy. So I'll put probably about, let's see, probably about 1 more cup of water in this. Yeah. About 1 to 1.5 cup of water. See? And I put about 1 small Irish potato, otherwise known as russet potato in a foreign. Put that in there. Get 1 chocho. Put that in there. Then you have your scallion. This is about 1 scallion, otherwise known as green onion. Put that inside as well. And then we have 1 piece of thyme. See? Throw that inside. So mix it up a little bit. Make all the stuff then get down in the water. You know? And then you have to cover it over a little bit more and make it start boil up again. So make the start boil up again for another maybe another 8 or 9 minutes. And then we can finish him off, you know? Alright. Make him go and get happy. Alright, let's take a look and see where we are. We are running about 10 minutes right now. Covered. As you can see, we are boiling and look good right about now, you know. Thing kind of cooked down really nice. So right now what we'll do is just add some other little things in there, and then we'll turn down the stove a little bit. And we don't want to really boil out too much of the water just yet unless we have the flavor right, just right. You understand? And notice when I really taste it yet, tasting still to come. So we'll taste it. We'll put a little bit of onion inside right here. This is about another piece of the onion. So this is the other half of the onion. Throw that in there. Straight. And then we'll put a little ginger. Have a little bump of ginger right here. Have a little cheese grater. What kind of grater that is? The reason I do it this way, that way it boil out in the gravy, you know. You don't really taste a big old piece of ginger when you eat. You don't really want that. When you have it little and fine like this, boil out just right, you know. When it comes to curry, you always want a little ginger in it to kind of sickle your stomach, because you don't really want to upset stomach. Ginger is a very strong, curry is a very strong spice. Ginger strong same way, but feet strong are really the good strong for your belly, you know. So throw all of that in there. And then we'll add a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Forget my knife. We'll just drop a little piece in this, alright? We get the tail, and then we get a little piece of the side, you know? Just like that. Like I said, we can't use that too much for my household when you have feed kids. Yeah? Alright, so we'll turn this down now. About medium. Alright, now the same salt, same amount of salt we put in there originally. See, you know, the water we put in it, you know, a little bit of water we had in the cup and a half of it. So it kind of getting married. So we don't really taste it yet at all. We'll make that kind of bubble a little bit for about another 5 minutes, and then we'll taste right there, and then we'll finish up with we'll finish the seasoning process. Straight. Alright, so this thing I run for about 5 minutes, you know. So we'll kind of taste it and see what's going on, what it needs. Flash all over the place. Taste it right now, see what it needs. And then we'll cover it down and make it finish, you know. Everything kind of look nice, color look nice. Everything look merry. Yeah? Alright, so we'll taste it. Alright, so I put a little the chicken bouillon. Put about a teaspoon of that inside. Alright. And then we add about a teaspoon more of salt. Remember, we don't put no salt in there since we put all them water and everything there. Yeah? Right, so put about a teaspoon more of salt. Mix that in. Everything else otherwise flavor just right. Right amount of spice. You know. And just a little bit more salt we need to kind of finish it off. Alright? Right now this good. We'll kind of cover it down. Make it go and steam. I'll turn it to about medium low. I'll make it go and steam out for another 10 minutes. and then you should be good to go. Yeah? Alright, so now what we have to do, let us finish off with making the dumplings. See? Alright, so right now we have to make some boiled dumplings. See? We have about 2.5 cup of flour right here, all purpose. And we have to put about 1 teaspoon of salt in that. Half a teaspoon. See? Mix that in for a little bit. Like I say, me and the measurement thing on a friend, you see? A lot of them things I'm kind of eyeball. But for the sake of TV, you know what I mean? We have to deal with the full measurement thing. But you know, we learn as we go along. Alright. We have about half a cup of water right here. We're not throw all of this in at one time. We just put a little bit in first. Okay? We have about half of the cup, half a cup of water. Make sure you have some clean hands. When you're really ready for get in here, but we'll go and mix it a little bit with one fork, you know? You know, like getting dirty right away. We want to make it kind of mix in a little bit. Alright, put some more water. About that. Still have a little bit left in my cup there. That come together nice. Add in the last little bit. Alright, so now go and get this together. And then I'll show you how to roll the dumpling and put it in a boiling water. Once you get in the water, heat about 15-20 minutes and you're good to go. So, another minute and I'll show you what I go on. Alright, so the dough come together just nice. So we kind of stretch it out like this. So when I get the thing there, see I was mixing the flour together with the fork. What I do, I just get my hands in and then knead and bring everything together. Knead it for a little bit. Once everything get together like this, then you know say boy you're ready, you know what I mean? So I end up adding another 1/4 cup of water to what I had before to get everything together. So just to kind of give you a heads up. Alright, so now you'll cut your dumpling. You can kind of do this to the size where you would like. You know what I mean? You don't have to go exact with the size of me or do. This is just my preference, right? Alright, so we'll just kind of cut them like that. Right? And then you kind of hold your hand like this and bring in this hand towards the middle. Just kind of move like that with your hand. So we'll kind of push everything to the middle. Just like that. Everything to the middle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See me? Once everything kind of come into the middle and it kind of form like that, then you put it in the middle of your hand and squeeze it like that. Now all the way just squeeze it till you feel a little puffy. Then make a little ball, just like that. And then you kind of use your hand, the finger, the thumbs, and kind of push it out in the middle. So as you push your thumbs in the middle, you kind of stretch it out same way to the end. See me? Like I said, this doesn't have to be perfect, you know, but this is just an idea as to how you can form your dumpling. When you reach to the little size where you need, and I flash it like that, drop it in. Boom. Hit another bump. The same thing. Knead in the middle, bring it in the middle, bring it in the middle. Once it reaches to the point where everything kind of round, squeeze it, and then you round him up. Round, You kind of do so with your finger, you know. Push down in the middle while you kind of pull it to the end. Yeah? Alright, so I'm going to go and do some more of this and get them all in the pot. And then I'll show you what the finishing product look like. Like I said, just boil this for about at least 20 minutes. You don't need it to boil it too long. Boil it for about 20 minutes. And you should be good to go. Alright, so check back with me. Final destination, family. Everything done, everything looking beautiful. Now time to eat some food. We have a little rice right here. Best of both worlds with the dumpling. And we have curry chicken back in the middle. You see, these things don't really take a lot to look beautiful, you know what I mean? Like I say, you have to always put in the time, put in the effort, and put in the love. So from my home to yours, Montego Baby signing out. Bless.